We just made it to the grotto. Stop number 6. We're off to Angel's Landing. We're gonna do Angel's Landing this morning. Probably just gonna go as far as Keegan can and then not do the chains. It's beautiful here. Look at that. It's pretty beautiful. This trail is kind of cold though in the morning. All that wind coming off the river. It's making it kind of chilly.
So we're walking. It's freezing cold.
It's freezing cold.
We're all bundled up.
Yeah. But you're doing great. So that's the top up there. That's it.
Wow, we're already going up.
We've come this far,
Too much too.
and it's not very far. But wow, look at this thing.
Yeah, do you want to go back down and start all over?
I'm just saying, we got a long way to go, y'all.
We
We
do.
just came up with a couple of switchbacks. Look at that incline. Look at those switchbacks down there.
Maybe half a mile.
And look at this one come. So yeah, we've got some more hiking to do. We're now at the part of the trail where we got through the first section of switchbacks. And now this is the flat section, or as Robin calls it, the best section, because it's super easy
So far.
so far. More hiking's are coming.
Are you ready?
I'm
Well.
gonna count.
You're just gonna count, you're not gonna guess.
Look at all those switchbacks. All right, how many switchbacks do you think there are? Count, final count.
No, I'm not
I
going
think
to.
there's 14.
You think there's 14?
I'm not going to. I'm gonna count the answer.
I want to say 21.
Okay.
Alright, let's go.
You guys
21.
can't count. I'll count. You guys
Here we
can't
go.
count. I'll count.
Okay, you count. This is Walter's Wiggles. There's no wiggling, just Walter's beating. What this is. Look at all the switchbacks down there. It's awesome. I don't know about y'all, but
We're at 11.
I'm getting whooped. My hips don't lie right now. Oh, Shakira. It looks like I'm sweating. I'm not. I'm glistening. 13.
Yep.
Oh my God. 13. Okay. Keep going, y'all. Look at me. Switch us. We've done. It's crazy.
There's 21.
How many was that?
21.
Well, y'all, we did it.
We finally did it.
We made it to the chains, to where you can get on the chains if you choose.
Yeah, so just to the left of us, you can see all those people up there. That's the chain area. It's kind of a traffic jam. But this area is where
Picnic table is.
we can stop, eat some lunch, rehydrate, chill out. There's some restrooms up there. If you want to
Oh yeah.
go to the restroom. If you want to keep climbing up, we can keep going up a little ways on that trail.
No, thank you.
Look at where we ate lunch today. Surrounded by these mountains. right beside this view. It's kind of ridiculous. And there's chipmunks surrounding us trying to eat our food. Yeah, they were all cute and cuddly before. Now they're
trying to steal our food.
not cool. Trying to eat my food. How dare you? Don't you do it. Don't do it.
Here's his friend.
Y'all don't do it. Be cool, y'all. Be cool.
You did the chain section
That's true.
last time we were here.
I have done the chains back in circa 2012.
You can definitely do up to the chains.
Easily.
Not easily, but you can do it.
You can choose. We're coming down the trail, and there's literally like nobody on this trail. Kind of the most amazing thing ever. You may remember this section of the trail because I was crying. That was this section. Man, this trail is so easy going down. All right, y'all, this is it. We did the wiggles, all 21 switchbacks, maybe 22. If you come to Zion, you've got to hit up Angel's Landing. It's a great trail, family fun.
Even if you don't do the chains.
Even if you don't do the chains, you gotta hit it up. You got to do it. So good, so good.
But it is work.
Yeah, you better get ready to do some work. We made it.
Bridge of Victory.